Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sondra, and if you're new here, I share tips and tools for living with Mast Cell Activation Syndrome, or as I call it, angry mast cells, and how to manage it holistically without feeling restricted. Today, I want to show you one of my favorite MCAS-friendly recipes, homemade almond milk, and share how I pair it with one of the most powerful healing tools in my journey, my trigger journal. So, why almond milk? First, it's naturally low in histamine, which makes it a great choice when dairy just isn't an option or you need to watch your histamine load like me and so many others with MCAS. It's also packed with vitamin E, powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress, which is important for stabilizing mast cells because stress can be a huge trigger with MCAS. Milk's magnesium content helps support relaxation, muscle function, which is crucial for managing these unpredictable flares. Let's start with the almond milk recipe. I soak raw almonds for at least 8 hours, usually overnight. Soaking not only softens them for blending, but also makes them easier to digest and overall creamier consistency in the final product. After soaking, I remove the skins to make the milk creamier and gentler on my system, especially helpful for those of us with sensitive digestion. Then I blend the almonds with filtered water, a pinch of pink salt for added trace minerals, and a spoon of high quality, raw, unfiltered honey, which not only adds a natural sweetness, but also supports your body with antimicrobial properties. From my experience, the honey extends the shelf life of the refrigerated milk. Next, I strain everything through a nut milk bag, squeeze, and enjoy. What you're left with is fresh, creamy almond milk that's free of gums, preservatives, and synthetic flavorings, typically found in store-bought brands. The best part? Almond milk is incredibly versatile. I use it in my coffee, chai tea, for creamy sauces like the one in my chicken tikka recipe, baking, and even for homemade yogurt. When I make almond milk yogurt, I include a dairy-free probiotic starter, which helps support gut health, another important factor in sustainably managing MCAS. And I never waste the almond pulp. The leftover pulp is one of my secret weapons. I use it to reduce my use of high histamine flours or avoid traditional flour altogether in baked goods like my delicious apple cake, cookies, and even gluten-free gravies. It's a perfect way to feel nourished without triggering symptoms. And this is where my trigger journal comes in. Whenever I try a new recipe or adjust an ingredient, I log the results in my journal. It's how I figured out that milk was causing at least 40% of my symptoms, and how I identified hidden milk in things like supplements and even my prescribed MCAS medication. This was a game changer for me because even though I do not have IgE antibodies to milk, it really pisses off my mast cells. And the hypersensitivity to this food was the cause of symptoms that my doctor believed was full-blown mastocytosis, which is a more serious form of mast cell dysregulation. This journal helps me track symptoms, meals, supplements, and exposures. Over time, I've been able to connect patterns, avoid triggers, and stay below my mast cell threshold. That's the key to remaining asymptomatic and allowing your body to heal and regulate. When mast cells are triggered, they have a long life cycle and communicate with other immune cells. So once they're activated, flares can linger for weeks, even months. The goal is to avoid overload. This is why trigger journaling is so powerful. It gives you real feedback from your body before flares escalate. If you're ready to take control of your flares and start tracking your unique patterns, my trigger journal is available for purchase now. It's the exact system I use every day, and it's changed my life. If you want more support, I offer a month-long one-on-one coaching program focused on trigger journaling. I'll help you not only track, but also interpret what your body is trying to tell you, both the obvious threats and the hidden ones your mast cells perceive. It's personalized, empowering, and the perfect way to begin a sustainable healing path. Check the links in the description section below if you're interested in either of the offers. I have also included a link to my almond milk recipe. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone navigating MCAS or looking for holistic, nourishing options. You can thrive with angry mast cells, and it starts with listening to your body. See you next time.